Hey, buddy. What are you doing in there? So last night, I guess actually it was this morning, saw a mouse run across the floor, so I set this little rig up last night to try and catch it, but didn't work this time, or yet, I guess. In the middle of the night, I couldn't come up with a good way to make a ramp, so kind of made more like a steps kind of thing. So I'll try again tonight, I guess. Reset it. Probably do something different here, because this probably is not hard to get up, or this probably is too hard to get up. So we'll see. What do you think, buddy? Has Pancake been slacking? You're supposed to keep all the little pests out of the house. Terrible guard dog. Getting a late start today. Whew. JR, you were up too much today. And then you slept a long time. And then Daddy slept too. How happy you are. Heading to the home center to pick up some stuff for JR's crib. And looks like it's probably the best time of day to go because it's so like rush hour now. But that's alright. We're not in a rush. Oh man. So these are the bolts I'm going to use to attach the mattress support to the frame. So I'll tap some holes in the legs for these guys. It should be long enough. I got an extra one just in case. How you doing? Good? Let's see if we can find some washers for this. Hello, buddy! I don't know how happy you are today. You like a little field trip, huh? Gotta get you for a walk, Pancake. What are you doing? Look at your face. Hi! Hello! Taking a quick walk. We're getting caught in the rain. Come on, Pancake, we got back before we drown. Just kidding. Not gonna drown. It's now it's starting to come down. Oh boy. Good thing we're back home already. It's good, huh, Pancake? Quick little walk. Get out of the house a little bit for you. Okay, that's some big raindrops. Oh, you okay, buddy? I know, Pancake, you gotta shake, I get it. Back home. Alright. A new trick. What do you think? This is an awful lot of responsibility for me, Daddy. I don't think I'm ready for it. Yeah, you're fine. Nope, you don't got it anymore. Taco night, taco night. 2 tacos for the lady, 3 tacos for the gentleman. How many tacos you want? Booby taco.
They are.
Booby taco.
A booby taco. It is.
How many tacos this time?
Huh?
How many of the tacos?
Daddy made the tacos.
Oh man. So I had leftover ground beef from making your favorite meal for your anniversary.
Yes.
Your favorite.
My favorite.
Absolute favorite, right?
Absolute favorite.
Yeah. So we're gonna eat some taco meat. This is all that's left for right now. But then there's still some more meat for tomorrow for double taco night.
We're having double taco night? That's good. I only made one avocado worth of guac.
Yeah, because look, we have all these shells left.
That's true. I always think you should eat it for lunch and you never do.
Yeah, because I want to make them again for dinner and have them for 3 meals or something.
Okay. That's fine.
So what's going on here?
Guacamole.
What does that mean?
Means I eat it all.
Great.
Guacamole's my favorite.
I know.
Guacamole.
So I mean, my thing I made you wasn't your favorite, the guacamole.
You know what I mean. They're not even comparable.
Why
Totally
not?
different stuff. This is like a condiment.
It's a condiment.
You know what I mean.
All right, let's go eat.
Okay.
Get in there.